Okay, so hello guys, welcome back to the Tech Savvy Brothers, and today's video is gonna be about input function in Python. So input function is one of the most uh, used and most basic function of Python. So let's get right into it. Okay, so I've already taught you about variables, how you can name and type of variables. So I name R as an integer input function. First, let me write the code itself, then I'll explain you. Alright, what is your age? And then question mark and this sign just for so then people know that we have to enter. So now if I run it, what is the age? And okay, let's say 33. I'm not 33. Then it's finished. So what this did, the input function did, is that it allowed the user to input a function or input a variable affected by this part. Okay, so let's say if I wrote here str and then I wrote 33, and also it's correct, but if I write here 12, then also it's correct, but when there is int function and you write a string, then it's gonna be wrong. So int function and I write 55. See, value error because it's int, but I wrote an string. But why didn't it work with string? When there was a string but I entered number, it didn't run into an error because a string is also an integer, so you can write 1 but you cannot add. So okay, let me tell you. Okay, now that we have done this, so there should be a bracket after this variable, and it's not necessary to put a bracket after input, but I just have to put it to make it a bit clean. Okay, then I write, okay, let me not do that. Okay, then q is equals to int and input what is your second age. Just anything, any random thing. Okay, now let's change this to str function. Str, and this also goes str. When I do this and run it, oh, one more thing. So once I've done this, I am gonna print r plus q. Oh, let's rerun it. Let's see if you run it an error. What is your age? So 1 to 12. But when I told it to add, it should have written 3. As it is an str, it cannot add, but it just adds the value after it. So hope you understood that. I also don't know how to exactly explain, but you should figure it out. And now if I run this, it should say 3. Then 1 and 2, so it said 3. So this is how the functions work. And so yeah guys, this was it for the input function. Input function just allows you to add values. That's it for input function. So yeah guys, thanks for watching the video, hope you liked it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.